The supplier bill generated after receiving and committing items to stock ensures accurate and timely payment processing. It automates the invoicing process. An invoice ensures accurate payment processing, supports financial record keeping, aids compliance, and fosters transparency, enhancing supplier relationships. To access the supplier invoice report generated after receiving and committing items to stock, navigate to the Procurement module and select the Supplier Bill Account Payable Invoices panel. This will redirect you to the Supplier Bill Details window. In the View section, you can view invoices for all bills, pending bills, partially approved bills, approved and unsettled bills, and settled bills. Choose the appropriate selection based on your needs. For instance, selecting All Bills provides a comprehensive overview of all billing statuses. Adjust the dates as needed to access supplier bills within a specific time frame. Then click View. Pending bills are color-coded in black, approved supplier bills in blue, and settled bills in green. Select a supplier bill to view its associated invoice. Then click View Invoice Report. Here you can perform the following actions: share the invoice via email, download it in various formats, or print it directly from your browser. This provides flexibility to manage and access required details conveniently from one centralized location.